אוקיי, אנחנו בלייב. אחרי בעיות טכניות קלות. בואו נראה שאנחנו מצליחים לעבוד ולהזמין אנשים שמאוד מחכים לאימון. ונתחיל אותו. אמילי, נראית. בואו נראה. יש כאן מישהו? Anyone? הופה. We are on. יאללה. מי איתנו? מי מתאמן איתנו? Yay! It worked, Emily! Can't believe it. ענבל כספי, את באה להתאמן איתנו? או שבטעות נקלט לסיטואציה. אנשים לפעמים נקלעים לסיטואציה ואז הם מרגישים לחוצים שאני שואלת אותם אם מתאמנים איתנו. אבל יאללה, הזדמנות. טוב, אמילי, you're here. כנרת כאן, הללויה. יצאתי קצת סתומה, אני לא אשקר. לא חשוב, אני אסביר לכם אחר כך מה קרה. בכל מקרה, sorry Emily, I said I was stupid enough to not pay attention to something on Facebook, and that's why it wasn't live and wasn't public, and you couldn't see me. That's okay, it's all behind us. And I want to tell you what we're doing. You're going to kill me, but it is what it is. So we're going to do 40 minutes. Actually, it's 41 minutes. And it's going to be the same exercise for 1 minute, then a break, then 50 seconds, then a break, then 40 seconds, then a break. We did it before. It's a hardcore, super intense workout, but it's going to work. You're done? You're good? You're ready? You're going to kill me tomorrow? Can I get a hell yes or hell no? זונה גדולה. זה ידוע. זה כבר ידוע. הרבה שנים, כנרת. הרבה שנים. טוב, יאללה. Let's do this thing. Yes? Ready? We're gonna start. Starting with the first exercise. Whew. We did this once, and that was terrible. It's probably gonna be terrible again. And we're going to start. 1 minute, 50, 40, 30, 20. Actually, it sounds worse than it is. Yalla. Let's go. Starting with... We're not going to start with jumping jacks. We're just going to start with some squats. And here we go. So we got 10 seconds for some squats. We're going to start with regular squat. 1. Yalla, let's go. Down and up. That's going to be our warm-up. After that, we're going to add some jumps. We're going to start with 1 minute, then 50 seconds, then 40, 30, 20. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. There's a lot of ceiling going on my screen. Should go like this. Alright, don't mind. Keep going. Squats. Bend your knees. 8 more seconds. Second round of the squat is going to be a squat jumps. So you got a 10 break, then we're gonna do a squat jump or a jump squat, however you want to call it. Go. Then softly on your toes, and then roll back your heels when you go low. Seconds more. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, break. Another version of a squat. Going now. 40 seconds. Down and feet together. Feet together. All the way in. Five, 4, 2, 1. Whew. 30 seconds. Let's do the same. Down and up. All the way down. Try to touch. Touch down every time. Keep your back flat. Keep your head aligned with your back. Go. 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, break. Last one, 20 seconds, and then we're going to move on to a different exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. All the way down. We're going to put a mat. So I'm going to run away now to get a towel or a mat. All right. Next one. 1 minute. Put your mat down. We're going to walk from a squat. Walk to a plank. Give me 1 push-up. Walk back and jump up. Again, squat down. Walk. Push. Take it back. And up. Put your whole palm down. Not just your fingers. Flat. Flat fingers on the floor. And jump up. Again. Jump up. If you need to, you can lower your knees to the floor and then do a push-up off your knees. Down, up, don't lift your butt. Keep your butt flat. Come up, lift your knees, and then come back to a squat and a jump. Don't know why I needed a towel yet. Take a break, we're going to do this again. Got it? So again, starting with a squat. Very nice and low. Palms down, walk. Flat back, flat head. So your head is aligned with your back. Big jump, high, all the way down, all the way up. Jump up. Walk, walk, walk. Nice and high. Toes. And then back on your heels again. 20 more seconds. Make sure your chest goes down first, not your forehead. Chest. And up again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, break. Good. 40 seconds, same thing. If anyone is joining right now, feel free to join. We still have a long time ahead. Sorry, but we do. So you can join us right now. Walk. Push up. Walk back. Jump. Again, walk. Push. Take it back. Jump up. Good. Try to shoot the air out every time you press down. When you press up, you shoot the air out. So on the way down, inhale. On the way up, exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. One more time. 30 seconds. That's gonna be really fast for you now. Used to the longer intervals in the beginning. 30 seconds. It's very, very fast. Yeah, all the way down, all the way up. Jump high. Come on. Push it to the end. Try not to stop. Try not to slow down. 10 more seconds. One more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Last 20 seconds for this exercise. And then we're going to move on. Again, squat. Lower yourself down. Arms down. Push. Come up. Try to go faster. It's only 40 seconds left. Up. Good. 6. Nice and low with your chest. Break. Good. Next one. We're gonna go on low plank. So just hold a plank on your elbows. Make sure your body's aligned. Head back, butt. And breathe. Hold. This one is static. Just hold a plank. Try to get your breath together, the leg back again. Get your shit together. That's what I wanted to say. And just breathe. If you want to make it a little bit harder, put your feet together. And it's going to make you a little bit off balance. If you need a little bit more balance, feet apart. If you need a little bit of a break, take your knees down for a second and then lift again. You got 14 seconds left. Make sure your shoulder and elbow on the same line. Don't take it back too much or forward. Just hold aligned. One more break. That's it. That's what we're doing for who knows how long. Maybe 2 minutes, 2 minutes half. Not sure. 2.5 minutes maybe. With some breaks in the middle. This time it's 50. Already 40. Breathe. Every time you start breathing, at least before you're like, before I kill you, you still can. So try to inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. Shoot the air out, don't make it too long. And it's gonna make you, it's gonna, probably gonna make the exercises get a little bit longer, last a little bit longer than you can usually, because you get more oxygen. You get 7 more. Shaky. 3, 2, 1. Good. One more time. It's just, at least it's just a plank and like nothing more than a plank, which, you know, we're gonna get there too, but enjoy the plank. Enjoy the plank. Breathe. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. Push your elbows. Try not to sink down with your upper body. Push the elbows down to the mat. If you want to, slide this way. You can lock your fingers together. Might be a little bit easier. But again, make sure the elbow and shoulder are on the same line and don't move too forward or too backward. 30 seconds. This one's easy. It's only 30 seconds. Got 3, 2, hold the plank. Just hold. Try not to lift your head or drop your head down. Keep your head aligned. If you want to know about where it should be, put your fist, one fist on top of the other, and then put your forehead down. It's gonna help you hold your hand a little bit if it's too much struggle, and it can actually show you about where you need to be with your head. All right, the right location. All right, we got 20 seconds and that's it. And then we're gonna move on to the next exercise. Hold, straight body line. Breathe. 10 more, that's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. All right. Moving on. So we're going to start with a lunge. Actually, we're going to start with a squat. And we're going to start with a right leg lunge. So squat, lunge. Here we're going to go for one jump. Jump, lunge. Go back to squat and then left. Left, jump, squat, right, jump, squat, left, jump, squat, right, jump. Now see, if it's too much to go and do the jump here, just go down with your knee and up and then switch down, back, lunge, and then back to squat. You don't have to have this jump if it's too much. So take your time and see what's working for you. Because the most important thing is, if you know me, most important thing is to work properly, and it's not the speed, it's the proper form. So just make sure you're working properly with your body, and then add the speed as you're getting stronger. All right, go down, squat, lunge. Make sure you're going straight heel and knee. Don't go forward. And then go with your knee down. And then jump up. Come back to a squat. And then lunge again and up. So your 2 feet leaving the floor together. Jumping at the same time. You can use your arms for some leverage. Go now. All the way down, and then jump again. We got 10 more seconds. I know it's burning. That's the whole point. 8, 7, 6, 5. One more. 3, 2. So that was 50. Moving on to 40. Ready? Go. So squat. Lunge, jump, squat, lunge, jump. When the floor is very slippery, it's going to make it harder. So be careful. And if it's very slippery, try to work slower so you don't hurt yourself. Keep going. Jump. 10 more. Take your leg, the back leg all the way back. 3, 2. I know. Believe me, I know. Let's go 30 seconds. That's the easy part. It's very, very fast. You're used to 1 minute. 30 seconds is nothing. Up. Squat. Lunge. Jump. Go. 10 more minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, 20. And we're done with those fucking lunges. 1, go. Down. Up. Squat. I promised my niece to say something. Now remember. So, Carmel, חמודה שלי, אני מקווה שאת מתאמנת איתנו. ואם כן, אני מאוד גאה בך. We'll get 10. Alright, moving on. Moving on to a plank, high plank. And guess what? We're going to do some mountain climbers. So we're going to start with just plain simple, terrible mountain climbers. So you push your arms down to the floor and you bring your knee forward, one leg after the other, trying to keep your hip low. Maintain the speed, work with your breathing, so it gives you a nice rhythm for your work. And keep going. Try not to speak. It's going to make it a lot easier to breathe. I'm telling you, got 15 more seconds. Now, 14. Come on, 10, 9, 8. Bring it all the way forward. Tuck it in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't you love those mountain climbers? All right, one more time. This time, we're gonna start with a 10, just a normal, terrible mountain climbers, and then we're gonna move to the right. 9, 8, 7. So you're not moving your arms, just your legs. Bring it back. 10. And then to the left, all the way. So you're working more obliques, and then you go back to the center. Damn it. Right. Middle. Left. 8. 4, 3, 2. Wow. This is fun. 4, 3, 2. Same thing. Go. Mountain. Go right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Center. Left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Right. Center. 5 more seconds. Left. Center. Break. Damn. Feels really slow though, but it's super intense. All right, go. 30 seconds. Right. Show you this from the side. So you're not moving your arms, just your legs. Left. 8 more seconds. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2. Arms are dead. All right, 20 seconds. Breathe. Breathe. All right, 20 seconds and we're done. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. 10, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. 3, 2, 1. One last time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. All right. Back to standing up. Let me show you something. We're going to do a lunge. This time our arms are going to go down to the floor. We're going to lift the right leg up, keeping our head aligned with our back, pushing the heel of the left leg that's still on the floor, bending the knee of the left leg a little bit, and then we lift, and it's like kick up. So you kick, and then slowly take it down. It's a fast kick up, but then you stop, and then slowly take it down. Lift, slowly take it down. All right, keep going. Keep going. Lift. And stop now. We're going to have a 10. And then we're going to switch to the left leg, all right? So we're not gonna keep doing this for the whole round. Now you're going. Go. Lift. We're having 1 minute on the left side. Keep going, keep going. It's still our minute. 1 minute. It's a lot of butt. Make sure you're not opening your hip. Keep your hip square. So both sides of your hip are parallel to the ground. And then you lift and slowly take it down. Get like a second break up and then take it down. Keep your abs engaged. Breathe. Keep your heel pressing. The right heel is pressing the floor so the weight shifts back to the heel. Go. Make sure your back is straight. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Feeling your ass is amazing. All right, we're gonna go squat and kick back. So it's the same idea, only we're not going all the way down. So we're gonna go 1 squat, jump, and then lift. Again, jump, and then lift and hold. So once you lift, you keep it up and hold. If you need to, you can use a wall or something just to balance, or a chair or sofa or whatever, just to maintain your balance while you lift the leg up. Squat and lift. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, lift. You're gonna feel that tomorrow. We're gonna do the same, exactly the same. So just a squat, jump, lift. 1 more time. Again, squat, jump, and then lift, hold. Squat, jump, hold. Hold. I have issues with the Facebook. Yeah, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Nice. 20 more seconds. Then we're going to move on. You ready? Squat. Jump. Lift. Lift. 10 more seconds. Jump. Four, 3, 2, lift. All right. At 10 seconds, sip of water. It's gonna be terrible. I know, you know. Kinet, I know, you know. We're doing some burpees. So it's squat. All right, squat down, plank, push, up, and jump tuck. All right. If it's too much, squat down, plank, knees down, push, knees up, come up. You can either jump or just stand up. Then you're gonna go again. Plank, push. If you wanna make it harder, by all means, go for it. Jump tuck. Nice. Nice and low with the push up. And softly after the jump tuck. Then softly on your toes, and only then shift your weight to your heels. 9. I gotta stop talking. 5, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2. Burpees. Go. Squat. seconds. 7. One more. 3, 2. 4. 1. Let's go. Squat. Even if you're tired, maintain your proper form. Even if you're going slower, go slow. Hold the plank. Knees down. Chest down. Come up. Come up. All right, you don't have to go so fast. Just make it right. You got 8 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds in 3, 2. Come on, squat. Plank. Push. Up. Maintain your form. Maintain your straight body line. Chest goes down first. Bend your elbows to the sides. 6 more seconds. 3, 2. I know. Really, I know. All right, one more time. 20 seconds. Go. Squat, plank. Give it all. Give it all you got. Don't stop now. 7 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Ah, it's terrible. All right, plank. Low plank. Go. No break. Hold. Hold the plank. Low. Turn to one side. You can either put your feet on top of each other, or you want to be more stable, or more balanced. One in front of the other. Lift. Take it all the way back. Bring it back up. And then turn to the other side. Stopping the plank. And then go up. Reach all the way back. Look back. Lift. Get your breath back. Nice and slow. Take it back. Lift up. Hold. Up. Reach. 10 more seconds. Let me show you this. Front of you. Up. Reach back. Look back. Keep your hip high the whole time. Let me finish both sides because I don't like to stop on one side. Break and go again. Let's do it the same. Same one. All right, plank on your side. Up. Reach back. Exhale when you reach back. Now inhale again and go back to plank. Short, short. Shoot the air out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up. Plank again. 20 more seconds. Up. Reach, exhale. Lift up, inhale. Plank. Again. Up. Reach. Up. Plank. 7 more seconds. Finish both sides if you started. Lift up. And one more side, sorry, back to. Lift up. Good. Plank. Go back. 3, 2, 1. All right. Again. Hold. Reach. Twist. As you reach, you keep your hip high as you reach back. Again. Hip high. Up. Then reach back. As you keep in your hip high, reach up again and go back to plank. One more. Up. Reach. plank. 8 more seconds. Up, reach, up, plank, and break. All right, 30 seconds, same thing. Take it nice and slow. Hold the plank, lift it up, breathe, reach back, keep your hip high, up, and again, hold up, reach back, look back, lift up, go back to plank, 8 more seconds, up, reach, 3, let me finish it up, 2, 1, reach. All right, that's the last one, 20 seconds. All right, not too bad, nice and slow. If it's too much to hold now, you can hold one arm down, then lift, and take it down again. Oh no, my battery is very low. Oh no. Hold on. Let me see what we can do. All right, charging again. Hopefully it's gonna be all right. All right, you finished the 20. Let me break this for a second. Anyway, we're gonna do one more cardio. It wouldn't work like this. No, you see me upside down, it's not gonna work. I tried. All right, don't worry, we're not stopping. We are just, Tatani's gonna be pissed at me. So, good, good. And we're gonna have to, let's see. All right, we're moving to our next exercise. And it's gonna be a low plank. It's gonna be a press and a low plank. So if we had a break anyway, I'll show you and then we can go on. So we are starting with a down dog, lifting our hip up and reaching down with our heels as much as we can. Most important thing is to make sure your back is straight. You're gonna go down with your head, press down, then jump back, and then we're gonna go elbows down to a Commando Push Up. So 1 up, jump forward, press, jump back, down on your elbows. So you have enough time to get what I'm saying. 1 minute and 6 seconds. That's gonna be our next exercise. Are you ready? All right, so starting with a down dog. Press, straight, back to a plank, elbows down, and go one arm after the other, or both arms together, just jump forward, and then head down again. I hate this. Let me do it without it. So again, down dog. Press down, head all the way down to the floor. Jump back, and then go on your elbows. Again, up, jump, head down, press up, back to your plank. Both elbows up, and again, press, back, elbows, press up, forward. Again, 8 more seconds. Very slippery here, so make it even harder. You got 2, 1, break. I'm getting you back. Better now. Ready? One more time. So starting with a down dog to a shoulder press, down dog, shoulder press, back, elbows down, elbows up, and then jump forward again. Again, press, down, up, press. Make sure your back is straight the whole time if you need to. When you jump forward, you can bend your knees, but don't round or arch your back. All the way down with your head. 10 more. Very challenging, this one. Working on our triceps. 2, break. It's really hard to do it when the floor is slippery. So Make sure you're working properly. Starting again with a plank. Hold, forward, press, up, plank, and then elbows down. One by one, or two elbows together. Press. Every time you press up, exhale. Press down, inhale, press up, exhale. Come on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. 30 seconds. Do this angle. All right, plank. Down dog, press. So you see my head goes all the way down, and then press up. Then come back, elbows. Again, press both, one after the other, and then again. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. 20 seconds. And then we're moving on to the next exercise. Hold the plank. All right, up. Go back to the plank. Elbows down. Press. Up. Plank. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Guess what? On your back, we're gonna do some abs. So, go down to the floor. I guess you can see me. It's fine, right? Fine, of course. All right, can you see me there? Okay, whatever. I guess you can see me. I think you can see me. All right, we're gonna go abs. This time we're gonna change the exercise a little bit. We're still gonna have 1 minute break, 50 break, but it's gonna be a different variety of fun exercises, and then we're done. Ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? Go down on the floor, lie down. I'm gonna start. The first minute is gonna be a bicycle. I like to begin with the bicycle always. So bicycle it is. Let's go. So lift this time. The bicycle you can bring your knees towards your chest, and then lifting your shoulders, your head. Of course, you maintain the one line between your head and your head and your back. So you make sure you have this gap between your chin and your chest, and then you bring your elbow to your knee. If you want to make it a little bit harder, or actually much harder, you sit up and then turn your upper body. This one is a challenging one. You have to keep your back straight the whole time, and whatever you do, don't pull your neck, don't pull your head up. Make sure your hands are just there to support your head and not to push it forward. Another important thing is to open your elbows to the side. So it's going to keep you from pushing your head. All right, next one, we're going to do a leg lift and then a butt lift. So you lie down, head up, shoulders up, and put your arms down here. Lift your legs, keeping your back nice and flat, your lower back, and then put your arms down and lift your butt. Again, head up, shoulders up, down, up, and then head down, butt up. Again, lift, up, head down. Every time you lift your legs up, make sure you don't have an arch here. So you really make sure you're lifting your head and your shoulders to flatten the lower back on the floor, on the mats. If you want to make it harder and more challenging, you can lift your head, your arms up above your head, like so. One more, one more, one more. All right, we have a break here. So head down. Now, bringing my feet together, opening my knee to the side, my knee to the side. Then I lift my leg up, and I bring my elbows to my knees. Again, work from your abs and up with the arms. Don't push the head. So again, you need to keep this distance between your chin and your chest. Look up and up forward. It's very important to work properly. Go lift. Again, make sure when you're lowering your legs to not arch your back. So keep your head and shoulders up the whole time. All right, legs down. This time, we're going to slide up with our arms on our legs. Slide up to a sit-up, and then back, down. So keep your feet on the ground the whole time. Don't lift your feet, even if it's hard. Try to keep pushing your feet down to the floor, and keep your arms on your knees, on your legs and knees. Push forward, and make sure your back is straight. So push your chest forward to your knees. 2 more. This time, head down. And we're going to push. So you're keeping your head down on the floor, keeping 90 degrees with hip and knees, and then push. So your legs want to go forward, like towards your chest, and your arms are pushing back. And it's like a, call it earthquake, because you really need to be very, very shaky when you do that, especially after this workout. So your muscles are tired and they're shaky, and this time we're just go toe touch for a finale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Did you hear that? It was half a cheer. Only half, I'm sorry. Woo, that was good. That was a good workout, don't you think? I'm sweaty. All right, probably 2 people trained with me. Emily, Kineret, hope you're still here. Hope some, other people joined. But I know people are intimidating. So I'm intimidating. People are not intimidating. They're intimidated. Very hard. English is a very hard language. So we did 41 minutes and 40 seconds. Nice. כנרת, אל תעשה, אין לי בעיה שתשונאת אותי, אבל את לא הולכת, אנחנו עושות מתיחות. Stay. Don't go. Stay. יאללה. I'm not gonna waste your time. יאללה. Stay. I swear at you the whole time. Sorry. I love you. I love it. I just know that if you swear at me, you work the way I want you to. So be my guest. I don't mind. It's actually like flattering. But it's me. Anyway, let's do some stretches. Let's do it lying down, because I know Kineret loves the ones that we lie down and do. So I want you to stay, Kineret. So I love you. I love you all. I really do. And I'm really proud of you, by the way. Swear to God. So we're gonna do some stretches lying down. Nothing fancy. Just to, stretch the muscles, and then we can go. All right, so lie down, right leg. Maybe I should be closer now that I'm not moving so much. All right, sorry, my butt was in your face. So lie down, right leg on the left knee, and then, you can see, and then you pull the leg towards your chest. You know this one. Nice and long. So you're starting slowly, and then as you breathe, try to get your legs all the way to your chest, or close to your chest, and breathe. So you feel a nice stretch in your butt, and you're gonna feel your butt tomorrow, I swear. We did some very intense booty work, so you're gonna feel this tomorrow, and probably the day after, and maybe one more day after that. So now you straighten the left leg straight and try to pull it, or grab your toes, or with a towel just wrap it and pull. Try to keep your tailbone on the floor so you can have a nice stretch for your leg. You can actually lift and round your back a little bit for some back stretch. But for this, for the leg, keep your butt on the floor. So now, as you are, both legs going to the left. So you're lying down, pushing your legs to the left, keeping your shoulders on the floor, looking to the right and stretching the right arm to your right. And then the left arm can push the right knee down. And you have a nice and twisty stretch for your back and your obliques. Obliques. Good. And we're going to do the whole thing with the left on the right. So grab your leg, right leg, and pull. Breathe again. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. This time we have nice and long. I tell you all the time while you exercise, you need a short breath so you don't get like dizzy. Because when you go like this during an exercise, you can go dizzy very fast. So you need to shoot the air out. But now with the stretches, you can go nice and deep and slow breath. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. And then straight your right leg. And pull. Keep your butt on the floor, your tailbone. If you want, you can round your back a little bit for a nice stretch. But then, again, put your tailbone down again and stretch. So you feel the back of your leg, hamstrings. And now, bend the leg and both legs to the right. Exhale, twist, and look left. So head left, left arm, stretch to the left, and right arm is pushing the left knee down. Breathe. Good. Now round your back. Straight your legs all the way back behind your head. And come up. Sitting position. Alright, straight your legs forward. Grab your legs, grab your, shoes or laces or whatever. And then you slowly take your chest down without rounding your back. So I keep saying this all the time, it's very, very important. You have to make sure your back is straight and not round. If it's round, you're not going to fit it in your leg. So you need to flatten your back and pull yourself down with a flat back. And the chest is the part that you go all the way down to towards your knees. So as much as you can go, as long as you feel the stretch. It doesn't really matter where you go, like how deep you go. Come up again. Inhale, and then stretch again. All right, now, bend your knees. Grab lock your fingers behind your knees. Inhale, and then as you exhale, round your back. So it gives you a really nice stretch for your shoulder blades. Inhale, and exhale again, round your back. One more time, inhale, And exhale. Good. Cross right leg across the left, elbow on, and twist. And switch. Good. Feet together. Stretch your inner thighs. So hold and then push forward and open your knees to the side. Good. Feet together, come on. So try to keep your back straight, even if you need to bend your knees. So back straight, push your leg, inhale and then exhale. Hug your legs. Try to get your chest down. Bend the left leg, put your left arm down and then lift your right arm up. Stretch up, look towards your fingers. And then you bring it all the way around your hip and open your shoulder up. And switch sides, so right leg bent, right arm down, lift the left arm up. Look towards your fingers and then bring it around your hip and open your shoulder up. Good. Both arms together. Take it down. All the way down. Straight back. Try to straighten your knees if you can. Release your arms down. Grab your elbows and just move it from right to left. And slowly come up, round back. Slowly come up. Standing position. Good. Grab your elbow, take it all the way back. And press it down. Tilt your body to the left. If you're holding the right, tilt your body to the left. Move it back. And forward. And switch sides. Almost there, almost done. Down. Tilt it back. Forward. All the way back. Lift. And we are done. So I hope you're alive. Hope you liked it. Hope I'm going to see you tomorrow behind the golden pool, or next time we're here and live. Anyway, let me know what you think. I love you. See you soon. Bye bye.